One, go.
Warm greetings to one Dr. here. We are going to start this bit and what we have practiced in the meantime, after each sequence we are going to narrate. In that narration only we are going to involve those 12 words. So first we are going to go with the first sequence. First sequence is the meeting, that is manager's meeting. Now the first sequence outline is there is a box lying on the floor of a big company. We can see what happens and what are the perspectives of all the workers who are working in that respective company and the perspective of the manager himself. Continue.
Morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
Well, I'm equally shocked like you. Sheila is like my disciple and she is also like my daughter. But as of now, I have got only reserved words. As for the company policy, the investigation will happen. So hold your nerves and don't show any sort of aggressive actions. Yes, I told you, investigation. Investigation simply means the cops will come in investigation. Doctors will not come for investigation.
So, are we supposed to be the witnesses, sir?
You are supposed to be witnesses, and I would like to reprimand a request in front of all of you. When the cops are asking a question, be as true as possible. And our company is known for its legitimacy in ethics. So,
okay, sir.
I'm equally shocked and I'm equally unaware of the facts. We will be recollecting the facts. Don't worry. No. Let us not get our heads involved into gossips. So hold your horses, and we will wait, and we will. And it's my responsibility to give you the clarity of what has happened. Okay? And I'm suffering the same loss that you're also suffering. See you later.
Freeze. So now, in this first sequence, we have covered the word number 1, policy, investigation, and disciple. So we shall see what happens in the second sequence, and narration will be given by Kalpita.
So the second sequence is an investigation sequence where everybody here are the witnesses and police is going to invest, and he finds that the manager sometimes is disassociated himself and sometimes not in the investigation plan. Let's see what happens.
We are the police officers.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Thank you. So now you two are the main suspects here because they told us you are the very close friends of the dead person. Whatever. And is there anyone else we need to be aware of?
Yes, sir. 2 to 3% are inside the company, sir. They are in a very busy work, sir, and they are not able to come here, sir. Mr. Punesh, tell me the name. Manager.
Your manager? What's his
Yes,
name?
sir.
It would be better if you invest.
I know his name. His name is Sundaramurthy Subramanian.
Why are you bringing in that manager?
Sir, he is one of the main part of this company, sir. He is the manager of the company, sir. And the disciple of him was Sheila, sir.
Sheila is more close to the manager.
Can you call him?
We are not accusing him, sir.
No,
but we
just
are
please
saying-
call him. Call him. We don't know who he is.
My command officers, yeah, I am the manager.
Filled with simplicity. I respect you.
Thank you.
Sir,
Many people say that.
how do you know the victims?
Well, she was one of the senior most employees of the company has produced, and she's like my disciple daughter. And she's very close to me.
I will just note something.
Yeah, sure.
There is camera that sit out.
Yeah, I have already given and routed the policy matters, and the people are really willing to help you to show the footages of
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Can you
then
go to the camera room and make a session? We'll talk with them for some time.
Okay.
Sorry, my employees will give full cooperation. Don't worry.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, ma'am, should we know anything about the manager?
Yes.
Any
Is there
not
anything-
manager, sir, but about Sheila, sir. Like 1 or 2 weeks ago, there was a process of disassociation, and she started.
Wait. I note this down. What disassociation?
Sir, she started ignoring everyone, and she started.
Association.
Disassociation. Thanks.
It's also.
Do you know?
Masala
Do you know what the reason she dissociation?
What her dissociation?
Yes, sir. It was not money to what is a mystery?
How did she relate to the
But she
manager?
was very depressed, sir.
How did she relate to the manager?
There were shows from the starting, sir. We don't know the exact reason. So it is a mystery, bro.
Is there anything peculiar we should know about the manager and
Sir, but
Sheila?
manager is Sheila, no, sir. But if you want, you can go to the cameras over there, sir.
Camera surveillance.
Essentially camera surveillance.
Yes, sir.
Then we go to the camera
Yes,
surveillance.
sir. You will find some clues from that too, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
So this is the basic control room, and here the console is operated, and all the cameras are in place.
This is the camera like what the
So it's like Sambo police officer. I used to be the.
Parkour. Okay, he's an expert in that.
Is there anything else you would like to know from
No,
me?
sir. You can leave now. We will check this. So all rooms will come here, is it?
This is the main console. Everything.
Sir, you may be astonished to see that room full of decorations.
That
sir.
small room over this side.
Yes, yes.
Corner room.
Yes,
What is
sir.
that?
Sir, it was actually for
There.
Christmas.
Christmas is in another 2 months. So
Yes.
why is
sir, we are this
Advanced.
Yes.
Advanced technology.
And we have recruited the yellow dress lady as a security for the rooms. So if you
Sir,
want.
we do business with us, please.
she is security.
She's a security.
Oh,
Nice.
this.
Nice.
You want to talk?
No, you don't have to.
No.
Actually, we found some miniature things always. Miniature? What miniature things?
So you don't know about that, but it's going missing.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Someone is robbing. Sheila.
Yes, sir.
So
No,
someone
no,
is.
no, sir. Maybe the security she's.
No. Forget about the security. Look at it. She's not going. She's not smart enough to do anything.
She's starving for the past 20 days.
What for Turkey? So
Are there any particulars about this case we should be made aware of?
Sir, there are some
names, particular names.
miniature things
Going
going.
with missing services.
What?
Yes.
Missing?
Yes, sir.
I understand. Sit. So I understand.
Freeze. So now, in the sequence, we have covered up disassociation word, simplicity, decoration, peculiar, and particulars. And miniature too. So now, sequence 3 will be narrated by Navalanana.
So the third sequence is going to be an internal discussion between the police officers themselves, and they have brought in 2 extra helping hands from their nearby stations to help them in their case. And for them it seems like it's a quick and easy finish. Let us see what comes after.
So what are these ones?
All noted down. Ma'am, see ma'am, this is all the notification. G. I forgot the word. What is it?
Notification.
No.
Notes.
Notes. Yes.
Oh,
yes.
What?
So, I'm a bit tired. Yesterday night I was fully working in the case. So
Stop proud of it.
So these are all the notes for this case.
Sir, this seems to be very mysterious.
That part, yes, that is because of my handwriting, I think. I will send a typed copy to you later on. But you are right, there is something mysterious. That is the room. I made a rough sketching of the room.
Oh, sir, no problem, no problem, sir. We can understand, sir. We can understand. You can understand. Yes, sir.
What we need to know is,
The victim is dependable.
are we, no, are we, can we trust you? Are you dependable?
Sir, why not, sir?
Because there are some things you have here that we just don't know. You have to go undercover into that company and find out some things. Okay. There are some 2 workers standing in that canteen right now. Look there. 2 fat guys. Okay. So I need you to go and strike up some conversation.
Now, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, in these cases, we have a process of elimination, sir.
Yes,
Suppose
madam.
eliminate some of the witnesses, sir. Have you completed that process, sir?
Yes. 2 with see behind those families. It's very tough, I know they're blocking the view, but behind
Yes,
them.
yes, yes. Okay, sir. Okay.
2 ladies, they have, I have started the elimination process for them, and they are free to go. Okay. Now what I need you to do is you need to go there, and you need to strike up conversation with those 2 families. Okay.
Sir? Okay, sir. Come on, sir. Get the mic.
Wait, please.
8 more minutes left.
See the body. All dead.
Hello?
For your information, now we are playing the fat guys.
You better take a seat, can you? Why?
Yes.
Please take a seat.
What the history want to ask you something?
Yes.
Take a seat, please.
You know,
We are from Police Department.
good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, good morning. Sit down.
Any serious matter, ma'am?
Any serious matter?
Yes.
Yes. What? You want to sit?
No, no, no.
Sir,
Tea, coffee,
No,
flame?
no.
Okay.
Ma'am, we are missing it. Please continue.
do you know about the case going on here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. She killed herself. See, Sheila. That is what everyone is.
How do you know?
That is what everyone is.
How do you
That is what everyone is saying.
Who are you to assure that
She's-
you-
No, ma'am. Just the manager was speaking it that
Yes,
only.
there is no official announcement.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. Manager was speaking that only. He was very sure, ma'am. He was saying that she killed herself. She killed herself. She is the reason for her death.
100 times he said.
Okay, so do you have any other witnesses or you have any idea?
Ma'am,
of this?
we are new here. We are interns, so we don't know what's happening. And
When have you joined this company?
Today morning.
Then how do you know
ma'am,
that it is
today
a-
morning he joined the company through a different way, ma'am. He came here. Other he home work. Yeah. Thank you.
We are seeing the manager for the discussion, sir.
We have to go, ma'am.
There you have.
You want to submit substance? Hey!
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Three. So now, in this sequence number 3, we have covered up the following words. Elimination. And now, sequence 4 will be narrated by Krishna.
So the police are going to identify the culprit, so we can see what going to happen now.
Sir, did you talk to those two?
Sir, yes, sir.
What is
We are not aware of anything, but they keep saying that manager told that she jumped from the top of this company. Sir,
Why won't he tell that? He told us he was sleeping the whole night in his office.
sir, don't know, sir.
It would be better if we ask the manager.
We have to investigate.
And also,
Sir.
when you were gone, we noted this thing. That when corner room, ma'am, see, in there, the video keeps going off. But
Yes.
whenever the video switches off and the video footage is deleted, this manager is nowhere to be found. He's not dependable at all. He keeps on vanishing.
We suspect him, sir. We better have to investigate.
So,
Nothing less than this. Yes,
So,
sir.
we make him sit here.
Yes, yes,
We'll
yes.
try to intimidate. Manager sir, come in please.
Can you please sit here?
Please.
Follow this. That's all I said. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Are you done yet? Because my work is on the halt and yes, of
This
course.
is very complicated case, sir. So
That's okay, sir.
Don't say
Your
it.
work is not much more important than this case, sir. This case is very
Work must go on.
complicated.
Misfortune might happen. Misfortune always happens, so the work must go on. So I would like to put a humble request in front of you that you should solve the case.
yes, yes.
Oh, already solved it, sir. Another one case also.
Solve it.
Yes, sir. Another one case also is informed.
That's very interesting. That's
Some,
very
you see sir, that I'm pulling up that control room to the painting. So, you see that corner room, sir?
That corner, sir, that 201, that camera.
Wait 2 minutes, sir.
This is my company and I know that.
Why is that, sir?
No,
Because
I'm in the initial stage of diagnosis, so.
Right, sir.
You better take care of that treatment, sir.
Sir, you see that corner
You
room?
switched off all the AC, you know, if you can.
Hello, sir. Yes, yes, Sulaiman.
It's not necessary, sir.
She went
Okay, so.
Suddenly the camera will go off, sir. See? 3, 2.
I've been telling the maintenance department to take
Sir, you better
care.
No, sir, no, sir. Can you tell us where you were at that time?
Business.
I was in the auditing office. I was not there.
You mean
Yes,
that
yes, yes, auditing camera.
auditing office, which is on the camera right now?
I was just on the vestibule, you know, I was just.
So you were.
You better see that camera. You better see that.
Ma'am, you speak as if you are having the blueprint of this building. This is my
Yes.
building.
Oh, actually,
The vestibule is
sir,
on camera.
We are investigators and
We do have a blueprint of the building. It's about 30-second walk with your stage 1 diabetes included.
I had Skype call and I had to stay there. I stayed put over there.
Oh.
Where did you say something?
This always, sir.
In the vestibule, yeah.
put the camera, put the camera.
That camera.
I'm saying I haven't asked anybody to set a camera in the vestibule. So
So no, sir, it's
But
there.
I was entered.
I think you're confused. You're confused. That's in the western wing. I'm speaking about the southern wing of the building.
Oh, because 2 minutes ago,
Suddenly, wait, suddenly, see
You
that.
got all this wrong, and I think you are rubbing on the bad shoulder because you people are diverting the case.
What will you do, sir?
You're
Yeah, because
I'm the owner of the company Diamond.
the owner of the company
I have lost.
is police.
We have the right to close the entire company.
Yes, want to see, want to know. There's no
We
permission.
are almost
I'm
in
seeking
the
your
end
help
of this
for
case.
finding out who was the culprit.
Sir, okay, sir.
And as a return for it, you will close my company.
Sir, forget it. Okay, forget it. 9:30. The person hits to the roof. Until half an hour before that, there was no one there. No one went up to the roof. 10:17, the body falls to the ground.
Make it straight. Make the question straight. What do you want?
There is a pathway, service ladder from the corner. You went in that corner.
It's very unusual that you go through that
For
corridor.
what purpose you will go?
And there is a service ladder up there to the roof. Probably you went. What did you do? You like?
Since you have never gone
I
through
was searching for a case. The case was supposed to be given to me by Sheila, and that idiot did not give that on time, and I had to take care of that. First of all, I had to take the case into my hands. Second of all, I had to take care of Sheila.
You are not a police. How can you
What take care of Sheila?
Briefcase.
What did you do to Sheila?
She is eating papaya.
All these mics are not essential. I'll make your job very easy.
You are like that?
What? It's all this.
Nuts, nuts. Hey,
Time,
Bobby, look.
time for our jubilant celebration, okay? So, let's all celebrate.
What you? How many days?
You people are second in command and he's just a constable, so if you want the truth,
You are just a water. What are you going to do?
Okay, sir. Wait, sir. Let's get the confession out of him, and then.
myself and Sheila had been making a lot of feasts, okay? And Sheila has not only been my disciple, not only been my daughter image and all that. That's how I say to the society. But I have been making all the feasts possible, and she is one heck of a thief, you know. And she has always been trying to be a very good colleague to me, and she always tried to steal things. And you know what happened in the month of August? She started turning herself as a baby face. She was a heel and I was a heel, and she started taking up things. Last one. You haven't even started the time, and how the hell you know that it is time? And I checked in the chat box what's the time, and you didn't say that.
It's not 8 minutes left, sir. I started it.
I did not ask you to do that. As a matter of fact, you people are not fit to be panel members. So you keep your mouth shut and listen to me. I don't want your time management.
Sir, I kept stopwatch, sir.
Mute. All of a sudden she started, and she started things to be explained to the public. So I pushed her off the roof and I killed her.
You were one of the
That's a criminal,
also.
sir.
Victim.
You did the time for. Go, sir. Ma'am, you want something? You have to tell me.
We have found out all the truth.
I did say the truth. You did not find it.
We found out and we knew
It was a
that.
confession.
Anyway, the boy is not here. We found out before. Listen, Dave. Okay, now the criminal is taken away and we finish it.
In Secret Store, we have covered up the following jubilees and dependable. These words are covered up and thank you everyone.
Good news. Correct on the clock, sir. 0 seconds.
Nice job, nice job.
Very good idea.
That's a real good idea.
Very nicely done, Mitra.
Thank you.
Very well done.
Nice performance, sir.
அப்புறம் நாங்க தான் உங்களுக்கு கட்டுறேன்
என்ன சொல்ல? So, I appreciate Mitra, Kalpita, Navalan and Krishnan for finishing exactly in time and also covering up all the 12. It's not easy to involve me and finish it up at the time. You know, a piece of extra dialogue would have really jeopardized their time management, and I had to be really careful, so I did appreciate it. So,
Very well done, Mitra. Very enjoyable.
they're in a very serious advantage, so you got to be literally very careful.
A great job, Kalita.
Yes, sir.
Great job, everyone.
Come on, enjoy your rest of the play by other team. Jokes off, good job. I'm not done. Yes.
Sir, when you said that start the timing, sir, I was outside. I off my phone, sir. When you start, it was 5 to 4 seconds delay, sir. So I suddenly kept stopwatch, sir, not a timer, sir. When you asked that, I put in the chat that I don't know the correct timing and I start the stopwatch, sir.
Okay. We'll discuss about that later. We'll focus on this.
Thanks, Doctor.
Sorry, sir. Start the timer now.
I myself will take care of things. You just enjoy the skit.
Sir, stay waiting minutes, right, sir?
No, wait. At night. அவனை 8 நிமிஷம் முடிச்ச பிறகு போய் டைம் என்னன்னு கேட்குறேன். இன்னொரு டைம் வரை செக் பண்ணேன். So, for safety reasons, there is a time that's kept in Varshan's phone and there is a time that is kept in Navin's phone, there is a time that's kept in and there is a time kept in Krishna's phone.
Sir, what?
Can you start பண்ணி செய்யுங்க எங்க
இதை வந்து என்னோட ரெஃபரன்ஸ் கேட்குறேன் நான் ஸ்டார்ட்
ஓகே சார் நான் வந்து அழகு
மெஹந்தி
சரி come push
Okay, so unlike Team Mitra, Team Balaji is going for a kind of a presentation mode and let us watch 12 words. 3.
Sir, can we sit down? That's it.
Yeah, why not?
Nada security.
push horrors
Oh,
The presentation number you have got the most probable advantage of finishing within the definite.
Yes.
mask பண்ணிட்டு
At the same time, hasty ரொம்ப ஃபாஸ்டா பண்ணாதீங்க.
நான் பாருங்க சார்
ரசிச்சு பண்ணுங்க.
Message பண்ணா sir.
பாருங்க பாருங்க சார்
Don't play for life கூட ஒரே விஷயம் தான். Don't play for
Nice timing,
always
yeah.
play for
Fun. Great fun.
yeah. Fun நீங்க ஆரம்பிங்க win automatically. Right, 3, 2, 1, go.
So greetings everyone. Gender inequality is a major problem that exists in the world right now. So today we are going to narrate the story of a woman who was a fighter right from when she was born, and it's a fictional character and the name is pretty interesting. Ve Da Ba Ki Singh. Okay, so we just combined all our names together and created this name. So she becomes one of India's most talented and best and most decorated pilots, and we are going to discuss her childhood and to the point until where she leads a very important mission against Pakistan. So Balachana will start off with the first narration.
So in her childhood she has brilliance in all fields, including sports and studies. So basically, she has some good knowledge and she has some more studies, and she has good in sports. So she participated well in sports events, and also she making good in studies. So she has some she secured brilliance in sports and studies. And next one, and suddenly he received a news message that her grandfather died in the 1962 China War, and after that she had her idea. She had her ideology of joining the army, and the next, and when she get into army, she had some scaling heights, and she became very successful in scaling the heights in the army, and at last teacher to it.
before going to keep that continue
Yeah. So what happened was, once her mom asked her to make some chapatis, and she didn't literally want to work in the kitchen.
that too body language sir when she's going to the ground to play sports sir mom, hey where are you going say
What is?
say where are you going
Want to play more
to play what
cricket?
don't want cricket come and roll chapati come today's dinner that's
No.
come prepare chapati she came to the kitchen said that going to the
And then using the dough, she made a gun. Mom, how's it? Nice.
not this chapati see this hole see this hole who eat you eat roll chapati properly
Wow. Mom, I make
flight
out of this and make flight to become pilot.
you know to make chapati right do chapati first, then you do fry.
It is first female pilot. I become
Female.
pilot.
Female.
Pilot.
Female.
Pilot.
Female chef, you come, cook.
Mom, what will I do?
You
I'm
cook.
calling this chapati.
We're going to make dinner for your dad, and you are getting a prize, Dad. The dinner was awesome.
Daddy, you never buys me anything, you go. Where is Daddy? He never buys me anything, you never do anything for me.
He bought you this chapati, chapati
It's
flour,
not chapati.
flour, vegetables, everything he bought. You show your
Get
dad.
lost to me, that's why
No,
I'm
you show
showing
your
you.
dad's here.
What will I do by showing my dad?
No. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Biggest exercise that do. You do that.
Mom, I make a tank. You see the shape?
Tangra.
Ah. See, Mom, tanker.
You know round shape. Round
Ah,
shape.
bomb,
Yeah.
bomb.
No.
Mom, yes, Mom. You will give everything I'll make.
See, you do round shape chapati. Then you go to the ground, restroom, hall, anywhere. But not to the ground. Okay, go to restroom,
Why?
hall. The only place allocated
Can't
for
it
you is hall, restroom, bedroom. That's it. You're not going out. Okay.
Why? Why are girls not given the freedom?
Because you're a girl. Cook.
What did you do when you were little?
You see, I was in bedroom and after
That's why you're still useless. Didn't even play 10th standard.
useless. Cook.
Didn't even play 10th
Yeah,
standard.
PhD in cooking.
Mom,
Okay.
tomorrow I have my exams.
Exams don't care. You cook. Cook for the dinner. Who will cook?
Mom,
Who will
who's
run
there in
these
this
things?
house, Mom? You and Dad. How much chapati should we cook?
For me 20, for my dad 40.
Kita, go.
So I like to continue with Bharaj and Anna's thing. So first thing I need to say is beneficial. So she's just beneficial to a society where she has some brain, she has some dream in her brain that she need to become as a pilot. So for that she need to serve for her country. So she has helping and serving for the nearby streets, which she can able to develop the thing which she need for the army. The second one is maximization. So maximization of her potential. So over there she don't know that how the people and how their coaches will be there. So for that she is just potential, she is just making it maximum, because when she is going for the playground or some other schools where she needs to be played, and she will working for hard to make it easier. And when the conversation is going with the mother, she just said that I need to become as a pilot. So mother said that no, I will not leave you to become as a pilot, you better cook. So she told that only over there, only male can do it, not female. That's there a sophistication comes over here. So she's just dominating her that no, female cannot do it. Only a male person can do it. It is continued by
Not serious as this, sir. I prefer house.
Mom, I want to join. Mom, you will not scold me. Mom, enough of holding chapatis. Enough of holding chapatis. Wait. Instead of taking this Kala Kachai or whatever it is,
Kala?
something, wait, I can take guns for my country. You know, uncle, see, my grandfather, Tata,
Yeah.
he died, no, Mom.
Yeah, he died.
Wait.
Yeah, he died.
We
Body. He died.
We should avenge his death. We should destroy China, those small-eyed monkeys. We should destroy
You're
them.
going to destroy China. And you don't know to keep dal and chapati properly, and you're going to destroy China. You cook chapati first with the proper round shape without any hole, then you can go to China and destroy it.
What? I am going to serve chapatis for them, Mom.
Yeah, you will do that. That's a very good job, see. The exercise. I mentioned you don't know what to do with me. Do with me.
Mom, Monday leave this house, even I go to the army academy.
Oh, go there and just opt for cooking, Cooking is the best medicine for everything. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And dishwashing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2.
That's why you still didn't get 10th standard.
Didn't get.
You didn't get, no.
I get 10th standard.
Then what you did? 11th you failed, no.
No, I didn't go for 11.
You didn't go?
Education system is not that
Time. What's the time now?
time, see, still 1 minute more. Cook chapati.
Mom, please, Mom.
See, chapati. Proper.
Mom, you never let me study for my exams also.
Exams, I will read for the exams and I will teach you. I will ABC only know. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I
Mom,
will
I'm
teach
in 10th grade.
you. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will teach. Oh, one
Not my
addition.
electrolysis chapter tested. Chemistry.
Oh,
You teach
multiplication. See,
Electrolysis.
2 into 2 is 4. Say.
electrolysis.
No, 2 into 3 not 5. Say. 2 into 3 5.
Smart.
Hey. 2 into 3 5. You're
I
rolling.
go and roll
See,
chapati,
you're
sir.
rolling 5 times and doing only 1 chapati, right?
No, no.
Then how come 2 into 3 6? 2 into 3 5.
I don't want to go anywhere. You just leave me alone.
Good girl. Cook.
I cook 10 chapatis. You don't talk to me.
Okay.
Where's dad now? He's never talking to me.
He's in restaurant driving his stuff.
He also 12th failed, you 10th failed.
Their minus for unparliamentary.
Restroom, sir, that's basic routine, sir.
No, not that.
I mean,
Sir, cancel. He is in the living area. Go, see.
okay, ma, I'll go to him.
Uh,
Daddy, where are you?
He can text me. So, everything aside, but still, Army is inside the impulse. She never gives up Army with anyone. Even though her family members and relatives keep on demotivating her, he stands only with Army, and she need to become an Army officer. And the biggest goal for her was working in Indian Air Force, and she gradually improved for that and gradually improved.
Sir, fire her, sir. Come on, sir. Let's telecast this to the whole world. Where the Baki Singh is going to be fired.
I'm not going.
Let the monkey sing!
We
Let the monkey sing!
will have.
Live stream.
We will have 2 exits.
Six, 9 years.
You
Sir, fire is
you
over.
win. You win in a contest.